The time has finally come. We got everything back for the 100, all back from powder coating. All the parts came in. Randy at RC Powder Coats hooked it up good with the red. Went with the red frame. We got the wheels red. BBR frame cradle. We got that red. This frame mount in the front. All our linkage, foot peg mounts, triple clamps, all red. And then we did the whole lower forks and swing arm all in black. Got our fork, or our brake drums and our hubs in black also. So it should look pretty sweet. This is how the wheels turned out when they're all laced up. Some heavy duty spokes. It's my favorite part. They turned out really good. And then for plastic, we got the black going in the back, black back fender side plates and shrouds, and then a red front, the red front number plate and front fender. So it should look pretty sweet. And then for the other parts we got for this thing, some of the best levers money can buy. Arc, I think it's pretty badass. Unbreakable. Got some IMS Pro Series pegs, BBR chain guide, JT sprockets. Just hooked us up with a black rear sprocket, new sprocket bolts and a front sprocket. Gold chain, gotta go with gold. Then we got TBolt parts, got some shifters, got a billet, throttle tube, some renthal grips, match. And then last but not least, HP by Brett Friedel power plant, 120 kit for the XR100. So she's gonna bark.